Our first step is to use a foaming brush to remove all the large bits of dirt from the vehicle. It's also a good idea to clean the windscreen so dirt doesn't accidentally get picked up from there and moved underneath the job during application. You should also clean your wheels for the same reason. Using high pressure water, you can now clean the foam from the vehicle. Make sure to clean all of the foam out of the tight areas and deep recesses of the panels. This is also a great time to check for any areas that you may have missed. High pressure air is great for cleaning water out of hard to reach places.
This is a clay block. It's designed for removing any hard bonded contamination, oxidization, tree sap or any other dirt that doesn't come off during the normal washing process. This block needs to be used in conjunction with a slip solution to stop it. If it's dry, it grips, so you want to make sure you use a soap solution. So what I'll be doing is working in about a 40 centimetre by 40 centimetre area at a time, clay barring in horizontal motion and then over in the other direction, and then wiping it clean and checking with the back of my hand to make sure I can't feel any sort of hard bonded contaminants. Very important when you're doing PPF because if there's any little bumps and lumps, they will show through on the finished product. And nice and smooth result with no noticeable bumps and stuff in the paint. So we'll continue to do that over the entire bonnet and surface before we go through the final clean. Then using Avery Dennison surface cleaner, we're going to give the surface a final clean to make sure it's free of any waxes, polishes, greases and any contaminants that could compromise the adhesion. So Avery Dennison surface cleaner, a clean microfiber rag, I fold it into quarters and then spray onto the rag. This minimises waste of cleaner. Also just make sure that you're using one side of the rag initially to clean a small area and then fold it to a dry side to take off any contaminants that are released. For larger areas you can spray directly onto the surface, just being careful of not getting it on other areas outside. So always important when you're wrapping the vehicle is to ensure that you've cleared any dirt and debris from the areas around where you're wrapping or putting paint protection film, ensuring that you wipe the blades thoroughly, making sure that any dirt and dust, loose dirt and debris is cleared away from the areas around where you're working. All the edges all the way around the bonnet need to be cleaned. Again, with the surface cleaner, so spraying onto the rag.